This trade right here was my last winning trade that helped me pass my 200k prop firm challenge. It was a swing trade, and the first thing that I did is on the weekly time frame is I looked at the fractal structure, and I noticed that the fractal structure was bearish, most recent break of structure being this one right here. After that, I went on the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame we can see that the fractal weekly means the daily swing structure. Okay, this is the high, this is the low, this is the bearish range, and what I noticed is that price rejected from this premium area right here, okay, where multiple rejections occurred in the past, as we can see right here. What I noticed is that price will most likely have a potential pullback before heading lower. Okay, so overall I was bearish, but I knew that we could see a potential pullback based on the daily time frame. What I did next is I went on the 4 hour, and on the 4 hour I was able to identify this 4 hour bearish range. Okay, we can see we have the break of structure right here lining up with the higher time frame trend, and my thesis was this one. I said to myself that most likely price from here would head higher, fill all this imbalance, and then potentially push lower. Not only that, I also saw that we had this liquidation right here of this unmitigated demand, and I knew for a fact that many traders placed their buy on this unmitigated demand, and guess what? They got stopped out. Besides, I also saw this liquidity run right here, very recent one, okay? And after that, I was able to identify this 4 hour market structure shift, this 4 hour change of character. Basically a liquidity sweep followed by this move towards the upside, once again signaling that price will most likely head higher before heading lower. Okay, after that I hopped on the 1 hour and I wanted to see if I have a potential setup. And check this out, guys. On the 1 hour, the 4 hour change of character was confirmed. We have this beautiful liquidity run followed by this impulsive break of structure to the upside, and after that I was able to identify this beautiful unmitigated demand level, and this is exactly where I wanted to enter the buy with the stop loss below this demand, targeting 2RR, but I'd closed my trade at around this area here for a total profit of $4,365. The reason I closed it sooner is because I already hit the profit target from the trades that were currently running, okay? But let me show you how this trade played out. Right here, I got tapped in, price went higher, and as we can see, this trade would have moved higher anyways.